In order to get your employee pricing, you're going to go to savvyperks.com. You're going to log into your account. Over on the left-hand side, you'll see a bunch of choices. We'll click on automotive. We'll click on automotive again. There are repairs and new car sales. We're going to choose new car sales and warranties. And then we're going to click on our discount. This will explain all of the rules and regulations and give you a coupon to redeem. This will take you to the coupon that you can print or take with you on your cell phone. You'll find your car by choosing a style of car. We'll choose Honda. And there's a radius near my house. This will allow me to choose a new vehicle in my price range. If I don't want a new vehicle, I can choose a used vehicle by going back, and I'll go to the used cars, and this is a 75-mile radius of my house. And this shows all the different cars that are in my area that will accept a Savvy Perks discount that we were just able to access. So in order for you to get your employee pricing, all you have to do is join savvyperks.com, and you can access the entire network of employee pricing with over 250,000 vendors, retailers, adventures, and services across the United States.